After some careful cultivation, our native nursery was able to grow 44 Pickering's morning glories. Once again, our team traveled to the Pine Barrens, but this time to bring the flowers home. We teamed up with NJCF again for this project. Our first step in transporting these beauties was to gather water from a nearby reservoir. We came armed with 4 giant buckets to fill. No need to adjust your screens. The water is supposed to have this tea-like color. It's a result of the high iron content and natural tannins from native plant life, like the Atlantic white cedar. Remember the humble patch of land from the last video that we reserved for the Pickering's morning glory? Well, we're not actually going to it, because Emile found a better location, and way off the beaten path. This remote location will hopefully prevent the human encroachment that poses the Pineland's biggest threat. We carefully extracted each of the 44 morning glories and planted them into enclosures.
Really far from any medical attention.
Yeah.
These plants are only around a year old. They're pretty delicate with thin roots, and their sandy, dry soil can be crumbly and kind of hard to handle. After some meticulous planting, we marked them with flags and gave them some TLC. These enclosures are just the beginning. As these plants mature in their native environment, it's only natural that the land around it will continue to thrive richly, so long as it's not disturbed. Emile will be personally checking in on the 2 enclosures throughout the season.
Once nobody drives on this and
that's going to take over.
moss and stuff, heather's going to come in, like over here, see?
Yeah.
So, we may have to come in and rake it up at some point.
For now, we're hoping that providing a safe haven for these rare plants will preserve the beauty of wildlife diversity in the Pine Barrens. Keep supporting New Jersey conservation organizations like these.